Welcome to WasteCycler, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a curious beginner, get ready to embark on an exciting journey through the digital realm, exploring the latest gadgets, software, and cutting-edge innovations. Our mission is to demystify complex tech concepts. Whether you're looking to make informed tech decisions, learn something new, or simply geek out over the latest tech wonders, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this thrilling tech adventure. Cavdle WasteCycler. Do you know that you can turn your kitchen waste into compost and fertilizer? Yes, you can with the help of Cavdle WasteCycler, the world's first visual kitchen waste disposal and composter. It is a smart and innovative device that uses ultra-high temperature sterilization and patented blade technology to smash and dry your waste. It has a 2-liter capacity that can handle various types of waste, such as food, paper, or degradable plastics. It has a visual design that lets you see the entire processing cycle, as you can also choose from different modes such as quick mode, ferment mode, or custom modes depending on your needs and preferences. The Cavdle WasteCycler is easy to use and eco-friendly. You can use it to reduce your environmental impact and save money on waste disposal. You can also use it to create natural and organic compost or fertilizer for your plants or garden. Ego Power Plus. Switching to a cleaner, greener, and smarter way of taking care of your outdoor space is a must in today's world. And the Ego Power Plus is your solution for this soft life. It's the #1 rated brand in cordless outdoor power equipment. It has a wide range of products that can handle any outdoor challenge, from mowing and trimming to blowing and snowing. It has patented battery technology that delivers gas power and performance, plus longer run times up to 90 minutes on average on a single charge with the included 56 volts 5.0 arc lithium battery. Gardena Hose Reel. If you are looking for a convenient and easy way to water your garden, you might want to consider Gardena Hose Reel. The hose reel is an invention that stores and winds your hose, preventing it from getting tangled or damaged. Gardena offers a variety of hose reels, such as wall-mounted, trolley, portable, and automatic models. You can choose the one that suits your needs and preferences depending on the size of your garden, the location of your water source, and the level of comfort you want. Gardena hose reels are made of high-quality materials and have a robust design that ensures durability and stability. They also feature the original Gardena Quick Connect system, which allows you to attach and detach your hose and accessories with ease. Gardena hose reels come with different hose lengths, ranging from 33 feet to 115 feet, so you can reach every corner of your garden. PICO. Growing food at home is the solution for the future, but you might not have enough space or time to grow them. Well, there is a product that will make your dreams come true. It's called PICO, and it's a garden in your palm. PICO will help you take your first steps into the magnificent world of growing plants. Easy and affordable, it ensures your plant journey is a success from the get-go. It has everything you need to make your plants thrive. A self-watering system, a telescopic LED grow light, and a magnetic mount that can attach to any surface. PICO is easy to use, fun to watch, and good for the environment. "18-volt string trimmer." Does your lawn deserve some care? Yes, it does. But you might want to save space, money, and time by using one tool for 3 different tasks. The perfect tool for this is called the 18-volts 1 Plus. This is a cordless and battery-powered tool that can transform from a string trimmer to a mower, and also to an edger with just a few simple steps. It has many features that make it ideal for small yards and tight spaces. The easily attachable 12-inch mower deck turns your string trimmer into a lawn mower to give you that nice and even clean cut in your lawn. It has a 4-position single-point height adjustment from 1.5 to 3.5. Edyn Garden sensor. Maybe you love gardening, but don't have enough knowledge or experience to grow healthy plants. But you wish you could have a smart device that can monitor and improve your garden's conditions. Well, let's check out a product that will make your gardening easier and more enjoyable. It's called Edyn Garden sensor. It's a solar-powered probe that uses Wi-Fi to send your garden's soil and environmental data to your smartphone. Edyn Garden sensor is a multifunctional device that can measure and analyze your garden's light, moisture, nutrition, temperature, and humidity levels. It works with iOS and Android devices that features a huge database of plant types with customized growing tips. Edyn Garden sensor has a solar panel on its top that charges its internal battery. The battery can last up to 2.5 years, so you don't have to worry about replacing it or plugging it in. Smart wood splitting. Split your wood faster and easier than ever before with smart wood splitting. This invention can smash and split your wood faster. Smart wood splitting is a method of splitting logs with a device that uses a drop weight on a guide pole to force a blade through the wood. It is safer and easier than using an axe or a wedge, and it can split any size and shape of log in seconds or minutes. Smart wood splitting is an environmentally friendly way to split logs and create firewood. UK Planet Tools 3-in-1 Multifunctional Garden Rake. Are you tired of using the wrong tools for your gardening tasks? Then you need the UK Planet Tools 3-in-1 Multifunctional Garden Rake. This item combines 3 tools in one: a full-size 30-inch wide rake for clearing large areas, a 7-inch shrub rake for narrow spaces, and a pair of 11-inch leaf grabbers for picking up debris. It's easy to use. Just detach and attach the rake head sections with the simple click-on system. You can switch between the modes in seconds depending on your needs. No more hassle, no more waste. Prontec Topkeeper Pro. Do you have grass in your garden, patio, or balcony? Do you love how it looks and feels, but hate how it gets dirty and messy over time? Well, if yes, then you need to hear about the Prontec Topkeeper Pro. This is a revolutionary tool that attaches to any brand or type of brush cutter with a blade attachment and a right-angle transmission. It has a rotating disc with flexible pins that rake out the dirt, moss, and weeds from the grass. The pins bend and adapt to the shape of the grass, preventing any damage or tearing. The Prontec Topkeeper Pro cleans your grass deeper and more thoroughly than any other method, thereby restoring its original appearance and quality. AT1000 electric tying machine. Tying your vines can be hard, but how about we had a helper that can make it easier and faster? Or a machine that can automatically tie your vines with different types of wire? Well, that is the job of the AT1000 electric tying machine, the tying tool for viticulture and fruit growing. The AT1000 has a unique grip and has a large capacity spool that can hold at least 3,000 ties, and a simple and quick setup that requires only 3 steps. The AT1000 is 100% automatic and has a cycle speed of less than 0.5 seconds.